Welcome back to Albayani Leatherwork YouTube channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's go through this process of making this with the use of double sew. Our materials needed: black leather, leather lining, logo, double sew complete one, foreign marker tool. Now we start. The measurement of our pattern is 12.5 inch by 1/3. That's our pattern. Then you transfer it to your materials, which is our black leather. I want to fix my logo in between the both leathers. That is why I'm measuring my first pattern on my leather. Once you are done marking, cut it out into shape. Follow the line. Follow the line. Then during the cutting, make sure your hand is straight. Make sure your hand is straight. You can see the way I'm cutting. So the next is for me to get the area where I'm going to fix my logo, and that's my logo over there. So the leather that I'm going to match, joining of our leather. Your logo will determine the measurement of your leather. I think I've explained a lot of things about this. Check my previous video, you're gonna see. Now you can see the mark. Then after this, we are to perforate a hole. What I'm using here is rolling punch. My rolling punch. You can actually make use of punch if that is what you have. Then after that, you cut it out. You use your pattern knife to join it. Then drag the leather inside the bolts. Drag the both leather inside. Then make use of your shoe glue to match it together. You know what I'm doing here is totally gum work. I'm not stitching any single thing, including my logo. You can see the results now. Now I'm to join it with my leather lining. You can see the leather lining that I'm using. I just traced the line. That's my first attempt. You can see it has already been marked. Apply gum to the other side. As we all know, this is totally gum work. So apply gum. You have to make sure you apply gum on all the scrap of leather very well, and retouch as well. And then don't forget to apply gum on your leather lining the way it was done on the screen. Once it's dry, then you can start gumming it together. You can start joining it together. When you hammer it with your hammer or mallet, make sure you use it with care so that it won't affect your logo. And cut it out into shape. Cut it out into shape. And don't forget, after cutting, you have to close the edge. The edges where your scissors pass through has to be closed. And we have different ways to close it, but the way I'm going to close this is going to be with the use of die. You can see it now. With the use of die, I'm going to close the upper with the use of die. You can see it now. To all the edges, apart from the edges that is going inside. Once done with our upper pattern, we move to our insole. Trace the inner sole on foreign marker tool, inner double sew to be precise. After filing it, you trace it. After tracing, then you start applying your gum to the both sides, your foreign marco and the back of your inner double sole as well. You can see the results. Make sure you retouch. Once done, you can gum it together, hammer it and cut it out into shape. Cut it out into shape. If you are watching it to this extent and you have not yet subscribed, please do it by subscribe, like, comment and share to those that need it the most. Please, let's move to the lasting process. Apply your gum on your leather lining, the other side. Apply gum on your insole after it has been filed. Make sure you retouch when applying your gum. You can see this is the second time me applying the gum. Make sure the gum soak it very well and make sure it is dry before you start. Last thing, you can see the process. It's not hard to last. It's very simple. It's something you can close eyes on. You can see. So that's how you're gonna last. You have to use the right leg, mark it out, mark the line so you can use it to last the other side. Once you are done lasting the other side, and the next is for you to file. Once you are done filing, then you can come and gum it together, and you are done with your work. And you are done. And make sure you can retouch this one like 2 or 3 times, so that the person will wear it. Oh, I love this footwear, so they can patronize you. You can see this is my second time retouching it. This is my second time retouching it, so it can last. Then if you want to join it together, first of all, apply shoe glue at the edges. Apply shoe glue at the edges. You can see the edges. Apply shoe glue over there. Press it together. Press it together with your strength and your energy. Press it. Then once you are done pressing, hammer it very well. Make sure it sticks. Make sure it sticks with each other. Then here is our result. You can see the way it look. You can see the nice. You can see the way it look. How gorgeous it is. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this footwear. It's actually what I'm putting on. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well by subscribe, like, comment and share.